Okay, today's question is Ordinary Level 2014, question 5. So the graphics show the design of a logo for the Golf Society. That's their logo there. Draw the given logo and then locate points A, 0, the center point A1, A2, and A3, and point P as shown. Okay. From point A to A1 is translation. Okay, from A1 to A2 by axial symmetry via the A to A3 line, which is here. So we have that line, and that is our line of axis. We're going from A1 to A2, and then from A2 to A3, central symmetry, getting our point P here. Okay, so they're telling us the semicircle here for points A1, A3, and A2 is radius 60, and the center point is out 100 from A. Okay, so I'm going to get point O first of all, to center the page. Okay, set my compass at 60. Okay, and okay. A perpendicular line to the center point. Center point again. I'm just trying to check that. Yeah, that's her there. Okay, that's on the line across. Okay, so I'm going to label my points that I can so far. Looking at the drawing, so we got A1, 1, A2, A3, and we need to get A, which is 100 over from O. Okay, so that is A. We also need to get point P. So there's going to join A3 to A2 and come out 30 from our perpendicular line. Okay, 30, lifeline. So join A3 and A2 where they intersect. Gives us P. Okay, so let's concentrate on point A at the moment and the logo. So we have A, so it's telling us radius 30. So along our horizontal line here, come in 30. Okay, for center point of our logo. Draw the circle. Okay, they're telling us for the post for the flag, we're coming out 10, working to the right, and we're coming up 15 for the point of the flag. That joins back up, so we'll label these. Okay, so let's do that. Set my compass at 30. Okay. Out from A, center point, point A. Okay. That is our center point. Now, we're told us to come up 15. Bring that out. Till it hits the outer circle will intersect. That is the edge of the flag. Okay. So I'm bring up the center line through the circle. Okay. Finish off the flag itself. Okay, for the post, they told us to come out 10. And so bring that line up. That is the post of the flag. Okay, so there is our logo. Now, I have also logo out here. That's some colour to it. So what they want us to do is, first one is from A to A1 via translation. Okay, so what we're doing here is basically, this is point A. So bring A up to A1 via translation. Okay, so all the points come up at the same equal distance. So I can use that sliding set square method. Sorry, I'm going to actually label all these now first. So I'm going to label the post, center point, and the edge of the flag. So we'll call that C for center, and we'll go B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. So we have other points, so we need to allocate them points via translation. Okay. So sliding set squares, the angle from A to A1, which is looking like 30 degrees. Okay. Right, so I'm going to bring up B. Okay, I'm going to bring up D. Bring up E. C, center point, F, G. Okay, so get the distance between A and A1. Okay, so I'm going to get center point of the circle first of all. A to A1. Easier to compass with the dial. Yeah, I'm going to mark off C. Okay, C. Compass, 30 is the logo, put it on C, new center point. Okay, so we should have a lot of points here now. So if you follow E up, okay, E intercepts there, okay, G and F should be opposite C. So where they intersect, yeah, looking good, that one is there, yeah. So that is F, that is D, and B is here, and G hits here. Let's just check so we can. Yeah. Okay, so B, G, and E. Sorry, that's A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1, and G1. Right, so we can start joining our points. So looking back at the original logo, so we go GB first of all. G goes to B. Okay, D went to F. And C went to E, so the CT1. B1 back to D. Okay, so that is our logo translated. Right, so now we need to get our line of axis for axis symmetry. Okay, so they've told us from A to A3, they want to do the axis symmetry in that line. So A to A3 is our line of axis. So just draw a line here. So what we're going to do with our point is A, and it's a mirror reflection of it, so it's going to be flipped over like, should be A right here. Okay, so our logo is going to be now down here. Okay, so that's the stick, the flag. That's it. So line of axis, flip it over. That's the shape we should have down here. Okay, so let's bring down our points again. A, B and G. Okay, C1, D1, F1. E1, bring that down, and then point the compass on line of axis. So go from 0 to A1. Okay, that's hitting A2. Move over onto line of axis up to B1. Mark that off. Okay, G1. Mark that off. So I'm going to label these as we go along, so it might get complicated. So it's B2. And this is G2. Okay, and C. C1. D1. F1. Go over to find point D. So E1 is now B2. E2, B2, so this is F2, and D2, D2, C, 2. Now, compass again, set at 30, okay, put it on C, and, so we can see the shape taken here again. So the flag is now gone, so we go from G1 to B, which is now G2 to B2. Okay, and F1 goes all the way to D. Okay, D goes to E1, so now D2 goes to E2. D2 back to C2. Okay, so that is our flag in axial symmetry. Okay, so now asking us to bring it over by central symmetry, and we have point P. So let's do that. So point P at the moment is halfway between A2 and A3. Right, so everything goes through point P. Very important now we're getting the labeling right here, because it gets confusing. A2, A2, A3. Okay, so I'm going to go with B. I'll go with C first of all, at the center point. Okay. And compass, get the distance from P, C2, mark that off. Okay, so I'm going to draw in the outside circle first of all now. Okay, it should run through A3, which it does. Okay, that is C3. Now, so E goes through P. Point the compass on B2. Swing it, try and give us B3. That's exactly where it intersected, so that's good. B3. Now, we should go for G2. Point G2 goes through. It should be where it intersects there. We'll just double check that. Oh. Okay. G2. Right, and then F2. F2 should be down the center point too. First of all, that should be hitting F2. F2, yeah, perfect. 2, and where our centre line was through C3, that should give us D2. Check that. And just double check everything to show. Yeah, perfect. Now, so what are we missing? We have A, B, C, D. So we're missing E. Okay, the edge of the flag. So on P again, D, and fill it across. And E. Yep, where it should be, intersecting the circles, is E3. That should be 3, sorry. Oh, so central symmetry through point P, and we can see our shape here. So go back to the original one. D went to E and E went to C. So D goes to E, E goes to C, okay, D down to F, and B went to G. That is our